Hey everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for this video. My name is Eliza if you're new around here, and this channel is about fashion, beauty, lifestyle and trends. So if you're into any of these topics, please consider subscribing and hit on notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Now in today's video, I'm very excited to show you my new Chanel Coco Handle in a mini size. So if you're into the bags or luxury goods, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started. My new Chanel Coco Handle in mini size. Actually, some people call it a small size because it's just one size smaller than the medium one. It's actually 23 centimeters, but I think in Europe it's considered as a mini size. Well, I decided to go for this particular bag because I have one already in a medium size in a light beige color, but I wanted to have something more elegant, rather classy, and a smaller version of the one that I own already. So I opted for this caviar leather in black with a champagne gold hardware and a very simple and minimalist handle, because as you know, they have so many different styles of handles for this particular model, but I decided that I want to keep it very elegant and very classy. That will serve me like for ages. So yeah, this is the bag, and if you don't mind, let's talk about the details of the bag. Now, as I mentioned before, this bag is actually 23 centimeters in size, and it's way too smaller compared to the classic flap or to the medium-sized Coco Handle. But as you can see, everything looks absolutely stunning. All the details, all the stitching, as you can see, it looks absolutely wonderful. Now you have this classic small pocket that you can slip some cards or your phone inside. If you look at the bottom of the bag, everything looks absolutely stunning and there are no flaws at all. Now, as you can see, this bag is from 20S collection in black with gold hardware. And now let's open up the bag to see what fits inside. Now when you open up the bag, you can see a Chanel logo and a dark burgundy fabric interior with a Chanel tag as well, as you can see. A little side pocket and two quite big compartments, plus two additional pockets here that you can fit your wallet or your phone. It's actually a very roomy bag and it fits a lot. I think it even fits the same amount of items that you usually put into the classic flap in medium size. Honestly, I'm quite a big fan of top handles, especially for this particular model, but you always have an option to it, a chain on top. As you can see, it clips up here, and you can wear this bag crossbody because the size allows it to do so. And it's such a wonderful bag. You can wear it crossbody, you can wear it top handle or on your shoulder, because this bag doesn't look bulky whatsoever. It's a very delicate, very feminine, small size bag. Now for the comparison, I got my Chanel Coco Handle in a medium size just to show you guys the difference. And as you can see, the difference is really huge, because when I got this bag first, I thought the size is very decent and it's quite small, but when I compared it to the mini size, it's like literally wow. I haven't thought about it before, but they are so different. This bag is more suitable for lunches, brunches, going out during the day, and this would be a perfect addition for special occasions, for night outs or like evenings or like dinners, something like that. I mean, I love both sizes and both colors, and I'm very happy that I have both of these bags, so no regrets at all. But so you can see that the difference is huge. Now, as I said before, I opted for this black color because I really like seasonal colors, but they can go out of fashion quite fast. So, and with this one, you can always put an order on Chanel website or just pop into the store and get this one in black caviar, because it's such a popular color and I think it's such a classic and you know, timeless color, especially with the champagne gold hardware. I really like it. But yeah, I think this is the ultimate bag that you can add into your wardrobe, and it will live in it for years and years, and it will never go out of fashion. I mean, you of course can opt for different color combinations and different handles and different hardware styles, but I still think something classy is definitely worth investing your money in. Actually, a lot of you asked me to do this review for Chanel Coco Handle in mini size, because some time ago I posted a review for the medium size Chanel that I already own, and maybe in my next video I will do a size comparison and side-by-side comparison, so you can see the real and mirrored bag, the difference between the two. Now, as a quick disclaimer, this bag was kindly gifted to me by the website Crew Bags. So if you want to have more information or a discount code, please contact me directly here or via Instagram, and I'd be happy to share it with you. Now, I really hope that this video was quite informative and you liked it. Please do let me know in the comment section down below what bag would you like me to review next, and whether you have any questions or concerns, I'd be happy to help you. That's it for now, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye guys!